Hey guys, Jeff here again. Super quick video. Printing a memory mate in Photoshop. I say Photoshop because I've had a lot of people ask me for changes and can you do this and can you do that and all these things. So I've developed a workflow where my memory mates are done in Photoshop. And I will show you exactly how I set them up and how they work. So I start, obviously, as we've discussed in other videos, we're in Lightroom. I've got this photo just how I want it. We're going to right click on the photo, edit in Photoshop. That will pop up. I'm going to go over here and make it a little quicker. Pops up in Photoshop. I drop it from, so when it pops up, you're automatically on that image. So you take the background layer and you drop it right on the top of this one. I have done this obviously before, so you can see that there's other images here of kids before. I tend to keep the years prior, so if anybody calls me up and says, hey, can you make me another one of those, I have it already done. All I have to do is open it up, figure out which kid it is, print. So what I do here to make it super simple, Command T, which is free transform, then I hit Command 0, which zooms out so I see everything. I can see all the boundaries of that particular image. I know it's a little tougher to see because I zoomed out so far, but I'm just trying to get this kid into this window up here in the top corner to where I like it. This is completely subjective. If you don't want to fill up the frame too much and you want to show the basket behind him, that kind of whatnot. Now, what happens here is you can still see the bottom of this image in the window for the team. So what I have found the quickest, and yes, I understand that I could set up another mask as you see here in the graphics, which I'll show you in just a second, but all you have to do is simply click the layer mask, get the brush. I have it very big. You can see here in the middle how big it is. I hold the shift key down and I click and drag to the right or to the left depending on where. It wipes it out. Then I go straight to print, Command P, and I'm off to the printer. So it's that simple. That's my workflow for printing memory mates. Let me show you how this memory mate is set up. The graphics of the overlay here. You've got, there's the team logo, which I'm just going to toggle these on and off so you can kind of see what's going on. The team logo, I got that from the school. My background, which is this blue. You can see the dark blue here with this layer mask with a swipe through it. I just painted a diagonal stripe with a brush and got it looking how I want. And then the bottom layer is obviously just white. So I decided that this blue in the corners and the red in the eagle would pop a little bit better. So this is my memory mate sleeve for this school. Those three things go in a layer, and then I poke the holes through for the team photos with a layer mask, and I do the layer mask on the whole of the graphic. So if I need to change or I need to expand, because I mean a layer mask is super simple to just expand it out a little bit on the sides if you need. So there's complete flexibility and you can do limitless things within Photoshop. So that's why I do things for that workflow within Photoshop. Hope this has been helpful, guys. Thanks for listening. This is Jeff at InstaImage. I'll catch you in the next video.